In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically scrape public event data and publish it to Google Calendar using n8n. Here's the plan. We'll set up a workflow that runs every day at 8 a.m., fetches event details from a public website, cleans and formats what it finds, and then creates calendar events for you automatically. By the end, you'll have a self-updating calendar with no manual copy-paste. We start with a schedule trigger. Set it to fire at 8 o'clock a.m. daily so the workflow checks for new events every morning without you lifting a finger. From this trigger, the flow continues directly into an HTTP request. Next, we fetch the event page through Bright Data's web unlocker using a POST request. This service acts as a reliable proxy, which helps when sites block bots or throttle automated access. Point it to the target URL, specify the zone and country if needed, and request the raw HTML format so you get the full page content. Make sure you authenticate using a securely stored token in your n8n credentials rather than hard-coding anything sensitive. The HTTP response then flows to the HTML node. With the HTML node, we parse the raw page and extract the structured pieces we care about: event titles, locations, audiences, and times. Websites often return messy markup. This step organizes everything into arrays that the next node can reason about cleanly. Then comes the code node, which is the brain of the pipeline. Here we match titles with the correct times, remove placeholder or invalid rows, and convert times to proper ISO datetime strings. For example, 2025 06 21 T11 com 07 and com. We also add both start and end times, and format each item into a well-structured event object containing title, description, location, audience, and the start and end date time fields. This is essential because Google Calendar requires precise date-time formatting, and this node ensures there are no broken, mismatched, or invalid entries. Finally, we create Google Calendar events. The calendar node takes each cleaned item and maps start to the start, date time and end to the end. Date time. The event description can neatly combine the title, description, location, audience, and even the original raw time for reference. At this point, your scraped events are published, shareable, embeddable, and updated every day. To recap the flow: schedule trigger, fetch with Bright Data, parse HTML, clean and format with code, then create Google Calendar events. In production, store tokens in credentials, add duplicate checks, handle errors gracefully, log created event IDs, and consider batching to improve performance. With this setup, you'll have a reliable, automated, and consistently formatted event pipeline that keeps your calendar fresh on its own.